name is David Carr. Today I'm going to talk to you about my business philosophy and my promise and commitment to you as a fiduciary agent. A fiduciary agent is a specific legal arrangement when I agree to represent your best interest and to put your interest before mine. This is a very valuable relationship to have because I'm going to use my expertise to help you be successful. We're going to be a team, and the team is based on your desire to acquire a piece of property and my desire to make this happen in your best interest. I'm not interested in the sales price, if it's higher or lower, because I don't make much difference on $10,000 or $50,000. When you think about a $500,000 transaction, I would rather have you save $50,000 and be very satisfied with my work than to make a few extra $100. Whatever it is, I'm more interested in more transactions and my good name. Preserving my good name and enhancing my good name is one of my key business practices, which is why I fully adhere to all the aspects of being a fiduciary agent. This is what I'm going to do for you all the time. I'm going to use reasonable care and diligence to help you answer all the questions, to help you recognize all of the problems. We're going to make sure all the monies are accounted for, and there's going to be a total exclusion of self-interest. I'm going to help you buy the property that you're interested in. That's what I'm going to do. We're going to work out of a market. I'm going to help you find properties that look good to you, and I'm going to help you buy the one that you're interested, because I'm not going to be buying the same property as you are at the same time. And if that did happen, I would tell you, because I would have to be a disclosure as a fiduciary. That has not happened in my career. So notification of everything and specific performance. It's my commitment to do a good job. I want to earn your trust, and I want to earn your future business. It's a very important part of being a professional to me, is doing a good job, and I put it on the line every day when you sign an exclusive right to represent as a buyer or for me to list and sell your property. My name's David Carr, and I would look forward to talking with you soon.